Hello children, coming to the part 3 video of a square and a cube from class 8, exercise 1, page 10. So given 125 square is equal to 15,625, what is the value of 126 square? Children, here are in this problem there are two methods are there. One method which is the stepwise method and another method you can do it directly, that I will tell you after this end of this problem. So first we will do by the step method, that is what he has given here. We know very well that we have to find the value of 126. So first we will write that one. 126 square is equal to is nothing but what 125 plus 1 whole square, right? Now it's nothing but this one is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. You all learned the form, this form, right? Now a square is how much? 125 square whole square plus 2 into 125 into 1 plus 1 whole square, right? Now 125 is nothing but 15,625, which is given in the question itself, right? Plus 2 into 125 is nothing but 250 into 1 is 250 plus 1 square is 1, that is 15,625 plus 250 plus 1 is nothing but 251. Now no need to add this one. If you add also you will get the value 126 square, right? Now see here, this 15,625 plus 251 is mentioned in this option, right? That is the fourth answer, fourth option. That means the correct option is what? Yeah, therefore correct option is fourth. Correct option, that is fourth. Okay, correct is the fourth option. Now same way, find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 square, right? Now sorry, so here we will find the first with the prime factor methods here, that is we know very well here also two methods are there, children. Okay, so I told you, yes, I'll show it in the next, this one last of the last problem of this video. Now 441, so first we'll find the 441 here, that is first one is, so it cannot be go with the divisible with the 2, so 3 ones are 3, carry 1 4, 3 fours are 12, carry 2, 3 sevens are 21. Then here 3 fours are 12, 2 carry, 3 nines are 27. Then here 3 again it cannot be, the 49 is divisible directly by 7, 7 sevens are 49, that is 7 ones are 7. Now we know very well that here 441. So now here already we know that what is area of a square. Area of a square is equal to side into side, that is nothing but side square. Okay, now we very well know that area of a here is mentioned here 441 here. So area of a square is how much? 441, which is equal to here given is what? Side square. Already the equation is mentioned here, right? Now 441, so square I will take it this side, so it becomes what? Root, square root of 441 is equal to side, right? Now root 441 you can make it a factor, already I have done here before itself, starting itself. So it becomes like an what? 3 into 7 into 7, right? So that means here which is equal to side, here already it is in a pair, right? So take a common here, that is 3 into 7 which is equal to side, and 3 sevens are 21 meter which is equal to side, right? So this is your answer. So what he asked you, find the length of the side of a square whose area is, so area he has given 441, starting itself I have done here, right? So if you want to, you can do it while solving also, anyway you can do it both the way. Then after this, then consider with this value and find out the with the pair, and you will get the value. Okay children, I hope you understood with the problem, and I promise that third and fourth, the another shortcut ways I will show you. Please do like, share it. If you have any doubts, comment it, and if you want that problem, you comment me so that I can make another video for that. Thank you children.